Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit a photo in color of Peach Parfait, using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Exposure to +40. Contrast to +20. Highlights to -40. Shadows to +80. Whites to -50. And blacks to -10. Go to curve.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
Next go to color. Temperature to +10. -10 for vibrance. And saturation to -20. Go to color mix. Next go to orange. Saturation to +20. Luminance to +20. Go to yellow. Hue to -50. Saturation to -20. And luminance to -20. Go to green. Hue to -80. Saturation to -20. And luminance to -20. Next go to aqua. Saturation to -40. And luminance to -20. Go to blue. Saturation to -40. and luminance to -20. Next, go to Effect. Clarity to +15. Dehaze to +20. Vignette to -20. Midpoint to -30. Feather to +100. Roundness to +100. Go to split toning. In highlight, bring the hue to 26 and saturation to 17 for shadows. In Bind, bring the hue to 18 and saturation to 8 for shadows. Now go to Details. Noise reduction to +20. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.